Well, yes, Tata Steel clearly had reported strong set of operational data, especially for its India operations. The stock, of course, is under pressure today on account of the pessimism that we are seeing in the global commodity market that is also weighing heavy on the Nifty Metal Index today. But India operations showed resilience in the quarter gone by, much like what it has shown in the last few quarters as well, where domestic production saw an increase of about 12% on a year-on-year basis. This was aided by higher production at both of their key plants. One is Jamshedpur plant and the other is Kalinganagar plant. India delivery volumes also saw an increase of 14% on a year-on-year basis because the domestic demand environment continues to remain very strong. Now, as far as Europe operations are concerned, remember Europe has reported weak set of numbers but largely on expected lines. One, Netherlands, that one has reported a weak production and delivery growth. In fact, it has reported a decline in deliveries in the quarter gone by of about 9%. And this was on account of seasonal weakness and general market dynamics, which was not in favor of the company. UK deliveries have also declined by about 9%, but that is because they have transitioned from the traditional blast furnace to the electric arc furnace. So both their production plants were shut in the quarter gone by, and hence sales have declined by about 9% YOY. Now remember, steel prices have started rising off late, and hence analysts believe that perhaps the worst could be behind us as far as steel prices are concerned. In the last week of December, steel prices have started rising. The trajectory has continued in January so far and perhaps is likely to continue going forward as well. But remember, third quarter earnings for ferrous companies are likely to be muted because steel prices have started rising only in the last half, in the later part of December. Before that, steel prices were muted, so realizations and EBITDA per ton for ferrous companies are likely to be on the softer side for the third quarter. But yes, today Tata Steel has reported strong set of operational data. India operations continues to show resilience, but remember, the stock is under pressure on account of weakness that we are seeing across the board, not just the metal stocks.
Thanks so much for taking us through that. So it does seem like the market pressure has gotten to Tata Steel also about 1.7% lower as we speak. And it's the overall tide of the index that is keeping a lot of the stocks that even have positive news flow today under some pressure. On that note, we'll slip into a very short break and get a technical view on some of these stocks just on the other side.